Good morning from a rainy Skotterud this Wednesday. So I fixed the floor and I put the wires inside here and did all the welding I could find. So it's only cleaning now and clean up the area here. It is raining cats and dogs here. I don't know if you see it. It's dripping all over. So I'm hiding under the bus here now. And here I am standing in the rain. In front of the beast, who's gonna be ready very, very soon, but after Easter. So, as you can hear, it is raining. Dripping a lot. But everything is dry in here. 5.6 Celsius inside. And almost the same around there. On the roof I have the sensor. It's lying outside of the roof here. So far everything is going after the plan. I have to order repair and after control, they call it here. So when I did this, then I can start driving it again. At least it will be a progress. But it is dry, everything is working, so we will see. So, subscribe to my channel. I'm drowning in the rain. I don't know if you can see the rain, but it's dripping a lot. So, that's all from me here in Costa del Skotterud. It's not reminding of any Costa. It's Skotterud with rain. So, have a fantastic Wednesday. I'm gonna check this temperature, I always do, and it is 5, yes. So, have a fantastic Wednesday, click subscribe, and have a message. Bye bye.